Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel, and today I want to show you how to replace a national ID. If you lost your national ID or if you ever lose your national ID, so please watch this video to help you to guide you on the process of how you can replace it. Yeah, it's a step-by-step process, so make sure you watch the video up to end. You're still on my channel, Tinyex Uganda. If you want to know how to apply for Ugandan passport, still go to Tinyex Uganda or enter in YouTube search, enter Uganda passport, you'll see me Tinyex Uganda and you learn how to do it. But of today, I want to show you how to replace your national ID. Such that if you ever lose the national ID, don't suffer and don't fall into scammers and they take your money for nothing. So really just watch the video and know how to do it. Let's now go to the computer and I show you the process. You come, open your browser on your phone or computer, then you enter this URL, nira.go.ug. Press enter. It loads and opens from this interface. As you see it here. So from this interface, come to this tab, Services and Forms. You click there, then you come and look for a replacement form, application for replacement of lost, defaced or damaged ID. Click in it and it downloads. As you click in it, it will download. As you see it here, it's downloading. After downloading it, you can print it out if a computer is connected directly to a computer, or you can send it to a flash or a phone. You can print it out because you need to fill it. You need to fill in your information. Let's open it and we see how it looks like. This is it. So, application for replacement of lost, defaced or damaged national ID. So you come and fill this form. So you fill this form and make sure the information you enter is correct. You come and sign here, then this one you leave it for official purposes. For you declare your names and signature. You can here either put a signature or sample it if you don't have a signature. Sample it, you just make a link somewhere, get a pen and you sample it and put it there. Date of application. So after downloading this form, you after filling it out, the requirements that you need are, you need a police letter. That's one. You need to go to a nearby bank and pay 50,000 Uganda shillings. 50,000 Uganda shillings. And make sure you come with that payment receipt. So, important requirements that you need is this form that you have downloaded, filled, payment of 50,000, and police letter, so that maybe you lost an ID or your ID is defaced and you are requesting for another ID. So make sure you come with receipt of payment, police letter, and this form. So if that is done, then you come back to the system. Here, you come to this tab here, book appointment. You come here and book appointment. Otherwise, if you don't book appointment, you visit the office and they ask you for appointment, and you find you have appointment. Now you go back, you do double work. so you better book appointment. Maybe in case if you're in a hurry, you can go to the office and you talk to them and look for how you can figure it out. If that is you need something urgent and you find the booking dates are far, so come to the office still with your appointment, and you get the officer there and you talk to one of the officers and you explain your problem, or she will direct you of what really. So it's now book appointment. Here, see for surname, you enter surname. The surname, the name is optional. District of origin, you know your district of origin. Date of birth. Select your date of birth. Then phone number, enter your phone number there. Email address, this is important. Email address is optional, but the information, your application information, and then your appointment information will be sent to your email. If you have it, endeavor to enter it, please. Endeavor to enter the email. Then what service would you want? So you choose the service that you want. Here we are replacing national ID. Choose another branch. If you are coming to Kampala head office, you choose Kampala head office. If you are in other branches, you just select Kampala office, then you go for other branches. Don't really wait for the appointment. But Kampala office people are always many, so make sure at least you wait if you are not in a hurry. Yeah, because once in a hurry, you may find you may need quick things and you may incur some costs once you come to office to look for how you can really get what you need very fast. So if you're not in a hurry, you can schedule appointment and you come on that appointment day. Yeah. And the Kampala office headquarters, they are here to Kororo airstrip. Here in Nakasero. So I mean Kororo, not Nakasero, Kororo. So here, that's what you need. Then appointment day. The day when you are making that appointment, 4th June. Time. That appointment time, which means this is the day and the time that you will come. If you put maybe 9 a.m., you have to make sure by 9 a.m. you are in the place. If you have 5 a.m., means 5 a.m. we should be already in that place. Yeah. At headquarters, Kampala headquarters offices of NIRA at the Kororo airstrip. So then you submit appointment. Boom. So let me see something is required. Phone number is required. Do not enter it. Okay. 56. That's it. And they're telling me no vacancies, which means 4th June is already covered. So you look for another day. Let us go. Since June, and we see if it is also covered. No vacancies available on 10th June. See, many people are scheduling appointment. So what you do? Let us look for maybe. Let's go to 1st July. Just I don't want to waste a lot of time here. Let's select 1st July and we see. 1st July, no appointments available. see, yeah, staff really. Yeah, let's select maybe 5th July. 5th July. 5th July. No date available here. See, yeah. So you can see people are scheduling appointments now and then, now and then, now and then, now and then. You find it's hard for you really to find you are in July already. But if you are not in a hurry, that's why you see it is delay somehow. Yeah, but if you are not in a hurry, yeah, you wait for that day. Yeah, but if you are in a hurry, then as I've told you, come by office and get some officer to talk to. Look for how you can really figure it out. The normal process is for you to schedule appointment. Yeah, July. Let me choose 15th July. 15th July. As well telling me 15th July is also covered. See? So can I choose let me choose 30th July and I see and define. This is 30th July. The problem now, we do not receive appointments before. We do not receive appointments before 9 a.m. Please change the appointment. Yeah, I think yeah, the put 5 supposed to be 9. You can't receive appointments before 9 a.m. as you can see it here. Yeah, we do not receive appointments before 9 a.m. Please change the appointment date, appointment time. So you see, let me go here. I want that is June, and I see that is June. I selected that is June. No, you see, 30th June is covered. No vacancies in 30th June. So let me go to July 30th again. You see, July 30th, still 140 vacancies are still open for you to apply. But really, you can see people applying for sure. Yeah, maybe let me reduce to 25th July, and I see 25th July. 7. It will be Sunday. They don't work Saturday. Maybe Monday 26th, and I submit and I see if there are some vacancies open. See, you have to keep testing the dates and see which day is available really, because now I would schedule 30th when 26th is available. So it means check every day until you get the day where there are open vacancies there, and you can select that day. So now I've made appointment on 26 July 2021 at 9 a.m. in Kampala headquarters office. My appointment number is 9. So that is it. What you need to do when you are replacing national ID. You are in the districts not around Kampala, still you can go to the nearby Nira. Don't wait for this appointment for you. As soon as you schedule, make sure you schedule it, because now the only place that you have to make appointment is Kampala head office, but other places you can go there. Yeah. However, that information is not fine of going there, because as we are choosing only choose, the only option that we have is Kampala head office. But some of the services they are done at sub-county level and district level of NERA offices, where you find the NERA offices. Still, you can go there and inquire more about that. If you find you have to come to Kampala, then you travel to Kampala head offices. Yeah. So thank you guys for watching. Yeah, if you need more videos like this, please remember to like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. You'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. I bring up educational videos. Yeah, so such information, some people are always stuck, they don't know, but I try to bring it out such that everyone can get. You can either go to Google or YouTube and you get the information that you need. Yeah, maybe you lost your passport or you lose it in future. So if you know such information, you will find things are easy for you to move, know what to do. So if you need more information that maybe I haven't included here, you'll find my contact somewhere on my channel. Just in the page, description page, you'll find there my contacts. You can contact me anytime of your convenience. Yeah, again, if you need you need a website, you're a company, you want to start a blog, you have a startup, you need to make a website for it, so please contact me as well. I'm a professional in that, and the cost is really friendly. Yeah, the cost is friendly, and I do that in less time, from 1 week to 1 month. Your website will be ready. So thanks guys, keep safe. Corona is real, and this time it is mob, so guys, protect yourselves. Let's meet in another video.